The urban unit has contacted various international institutions based on the research and their outreach program and international standings consistent with the requirement. First up, the Australian Centre of Excellence for Local Government University of Technology, Sydney, which is a leading Australian local government research and policy institution, has agreed to support this vision of transformation of Punjab Local Government Academy Lala Musa into a world-class training institution to meet with the emerging challenges of 21st century. First up, the capability statement of ASLG is at Annex A. First up, as a result of initial negotiation, ASLG has agreed to enter into a MOU with the LGNCD Department. First up, on the promulgation of PLGO 2001, the government sanctioned 3 posts of secretary and 2 posts of Naib Qasid in all union administrations in the Punjab. First up, surplus staff of erstwhile local councils was posted as secretary and Naib Qasids in the union administrations. First up, Government of the Punjab Finance Department releases salary of union administration staff to the DCOs and the same is credited in the PLA of DCOs. First up, the DCO further releases the said amount on equal share to the administrator secretary UCs for the salary of UCs staff. First up, the DCO Lodhra has stated that Government of the Punjab Finance Department wide order number dated 26 May 2010 to July 2010 released get share of rupees 84 million for each month for the salary of union councils staff posted in 73 union councils of District Lodhra for the month of April and May 2010, which was received by the DCO Lodhra during the month of July and August 2010. First up, the grant of Union Administration Lodhra share amounting to rupees 79 million for the month of April 2011 was not received to this office till now. First up, a simple receipt form of rupees 16 million was prepared and sent to the District Account Officer Lodhra for transferring the said amount in the PLA of DCO Lodhra. First up, the District Accounts Officer Lodhra did not credit the said amount in PLA of DCO Lodhra. First up,